Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tobias and today we're going to unbox this Heroes of Might and Magic 3, the board game Battlefield expansion. So let's have a look at the front. Once again with some nice artwork here for the game. And we've got cards, of course a new battlefield. So it looks just like the game. And you can put obstacles and terrain pieces on it and so on. So that's really, really nice. This is what the box contains, and you need the core game and 2 sets of faction miniatures to play. So yeah, that's really cool. So let's have a look inside. And let's just have a look at this rulebook first. So we've got some content here for the components. Then we've got this battlefield setup. And for adventure mode, some extra rules here. And of course some rules for the battlefield combat here. How to set it up, place obstacles, and so on. And you can just jump right into battle if you want to. And this just looks really, really nice. And gives a feeling of playing the game on your computer as well. Well, that was it for this booklet. Of course, some players' aids here, guides for this Battlefield edition. And these look different than in the core game, so yeah. And then we've got our Battlefield here. We'll get to the cards in a bit. But yeah, this is gorgeous. Where can you set up your soldiers, units, and of course the battlefield here. That's really nice. And then we've got our map tiles here for obstacles, castles, pawns, and from the other side. That's really nice. And now for the cards. So these look as some different cards. So maybe this is for your adventures. That's nice. And your morale markers here. And more of them are different from the others, so yeah, that's nice too. And then we've got another little deck here. A nice little overview here for the trading post and different backgrounds. I think these are nicely done. Yeah. And that's that for this box. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.